Hello everyone, my name is Kumari Jyoti and I am an assistant professor at the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. Today I will discuss about the basic of graphic design. Let's move. So for the understanding of graphic designing, I will discuss on various topics like what is graphic designing, purpose of graphic designing, objective and its types, and elements of graphic designing and tools used for the graphic designing basically in the media organization and how to design user-free website. So let's discuss what is graphic designing. The word graphic is derived from the Greek word that is graphico, which means writing or drawing something. And basically, graphic designing is the craft of combining all the visual elements like images, colors, typography, which helps to communicate message effectively and aesthetically. And whether if you are building a brand, creating a marketing campaign, and designing a user interface, then graphic designing play a crucial role, important role in shaping how ideas are presented and perceived. It encompasses various mediums such as digital graphics, print materials, branding, and graphic designing play a crucial role in different segments like marketing, advertising, user interface design, and also helps to create a memorable brand identities. Discuss on what is the purpose of graphic designing, why we need to be design a graphic. So the main purpose of graphic designing is to convey message. Convey message using the solving the different problems through the visual elements, and it involves text, images, colors, and different symbols to convey message and ideas in that way, which should be effective and also aesthetically pleasing. And graphic designing is used across different segments like advertising, marketing for the different purposes. The main goal of graphic designing is to attract, engage, and inform audiences, and with the intention of promoting them some specific actions to create a strong brand recognition. So just moving towards, so now we will try to understand what is the key objectives of graphic designing, and the first one is of course brand recognition. Brand recognition, it means it helps to establishing a unique and memorable brand identity. And then after user engagement, and what is user engagement? It's just a creating design that attracts and hold attentions of the users. And then information clarity, it means presenting information in a clear and concise way so that audience can understand all these things, what we want to convey, that particular message through visual elements. And then after call to action, it means encouraging desired responses such as clicking a button or making a purchase. Or so now we will try to understand different types of graphic designing. And as we know, as we have discussed, there are different purposes to use the graphic designing. And here are some types of graphic designing. First one is visual identity graphic designing. And what is the visual identity graphic designing? That designing which focuses on creating the visual elements that define a specific brand. And designers in this field just develop logos, typography, colors, and brand guidelines to ensure consistency across all the brand materials. And then after marketing and advertising graphic design. And advertising and marketing graphic design is basically used to create a promotional content that drives to engage up audiences like print ad, social media graphics, packaging graphic, and the main purpose of this graphic designing is to communicate marketing message effectively and clear and concise way that motivate audiences to come and purchase that specific product. So the next one is what is web designing. Web designing just involves creating engaging and aesthetic pleasing online experiences for users, and its main aim is to make a website functional, easy to navigate, and to visually appealing, and enriching the overall user experience. And the next one is publication graphic designing. And what is publication graphic designing? It's just a work with printed material like books, magazine, and newspaper. So the main purpose of this types of graphic designing is for both visually appearing and easy to read, ensuring the content is well organized and engaging. So the next one is motion graphic design, and motion graphic design, which brings visual elements to life through animation and audio, which is used in advertisement, animated logos, and explainer videos. And the dynamic design can make a complex ideas to be accessible and engaging through the movement. And next one is infographic designing. Infographic designing, the word infographic is already denotes info, it means information, and graphic, it means visual representation of something visual in so the infographic, it means visual representation of information, data, knowledge, and that present that can audience understand quickly and clearly. And so after understanding different types of graphic designing, now we are moving towards the career opportunity in this graphic designing field. And the person who design a graphic is called graphic designer, basically. And the other role play the other roles including in it is art director, web designer, branding specialist, packaging designer, multimedia designer. So there are different opportunity, different career opportunity where you want and you can be grow. So now we will try to understand what is the different elements of designing. So if we are seeing some posters, and everything that is mentioned in that is that particular poster for the designing perspective, as we have discussed about the different visuals like text, typography, images. So that everything is the elements of design. So in layman language, just what is elements of designing? Basic thing that can be seen in the particular designing is elements of designing. And the different thing is what is principle of designing. So principle of designing, just arrangement of that particular different elements is the arrangement of that makes the designing better. That is principle of designing, like you can see line, shape, color, texture, value, space, it means white space between the two elements. So all the combinations makes a good graphic designing. And the graphic designers create images, icon, texture, um, patterns, diagrams. So everything make, so we have used everything to make a good graphic design. So as of now, we have understand what is graphic designing and its purpose, its types, and what's its objective. Now we will try to understand the different tools used for the graphic designing. It means different software which we have used for designing a particular graphic, that is Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, QuarkXpress, and yes, of course, others also. But these softwares are basically using in the media organizations. Yeah, mainly, primarily, it is used there. As I have discussed, we have to learn different software for designing a specific graphic. But here, if you are don't want to learn and have some use of graphic designing, so you can also go through different websites where you can use different free template and edit in that particular template, and you can make a good and creative graphic designing. So just I'm using a Canva, just moving towards Canva, and how you can, and I will discuss how you can use, how can make a good and creative graphic designing using the Canva. Let's start Canva, and then I will let you know how can you the effective design using that Canva. Just go to Google and then search Canva. Okay, search it, and then after you can click on the Canva. First of all, you can just open the Canva, and then you can see all the different things here. First of all, just you can search as you want what you want to be made. Then after you can see here social media, video presentation, print, and have other options also for what specific purpose you have required to be designed. Then after recent design, it means it is recent design which I have used. And then after phone wallpaper, it means you can design also for the your mobile phone wallpapers. Then after logos, have different options for the logos designing. And then after you can see cards, it means congratulations card, and have other also. You can see here different template. Yes, and I will also let you know how can you design, how can you customize in this template. Then after mobile videos, then whiteboard and presentations. It means using this Canva, you can also make a effective PowerPoint presentation where you can add different slides for, and make a effective and aesthetic pleasing designing. Then after posters of birthday, and have other also formal template, you can use it for the different purpose. Then Instagram post. Then yes, you can also make your resume effective resume, and you can see here different types of resume, different templates, different effective resumes, modern resumes here. And you can also make changes in this. Then have also documents other. Yes, not only for designing perspective, it's also you can use here for the video perspective. It means also you can add videos and make a good creations. Then after YouTube thumbnail, it is very required in current scenario. If you are planning to be start your YouTube channel, then after you can use YouTube thumbnail. And yes, and you can also click here see all. And what will you see? Just wait a minute. You can see have different templates you can use for your Instagram, your YouTube templates. Just I'm doing. Okay, now come. You can also your stories and flyers, invitations. Facebook have different segments for the different purposes. You can use here for the different purposes. So let's just start. Just I want to be a make a. First of all, I want to be make a birthday card. Then what will we do? Just click birthday card and search. Just after you can see here have different designs of the birthday. Happy birthday. You can use, you can add an image here. And
You can see have very effective and creative designing of a birthday. And how can you make changes? I will let you know. Then yes, I want this something like I don't like these photographs because of course we don't know who is she. Then we will replace. Click on the replace. Then after click on uploads, upload file, and here are some destination. Then from here you can upload your photographs, and just now I want to upload from the device. Then click on device, then click on media pickers and computer. So yes, I like this photograph. Just go and click on that photograph. That will take some time for uploading. Then select on that particular photographs. After you can see here this photographs is attached. Now you can change these photographs in two ways. First one is frame wise. This is frame wise. It means your whole frame will changes from here. Then after, just you have to double click on it, and now you can change photo wise, or images wise. Then after double click on it, you can changes, make changes, photo wise, image wise, what you want to be make, what you want to be create. Just click on that, and now yes, it fixed. It looks good, and I am thinking this is good. Then I want to be change name and what's happy birthday Lakshmi. I yes, then make changes. Of course, so from here you can select color according to as you want. You can select any color. Yes, over in the left hand side you can see color picker. Color picker, it means you can select a specific color, and then after you can take different tone of that color, from brightness to the dullness. You can take from your requirement. As per your requirement you can opt, you can select from here also. And have also different options like solid color, gradient. When you will click on gradient, then it will seems like this. And here from the color picker you can select two color. First one is green, then I can choose here the red, and then I will go to back gradient. So you can see have different gradient, have different types of color. You can also change gradient color from here like this. So after that, you can also do another things, check layers, animate, then you will click on more. You have other options, copy, paste, duplicate. It means you will make a same copy of another here. You can see. So these are all about Canva. And if you want to add something, not for only background designing, if you want to make a different design, you can click on design and then make a separate design. Then after you can click on elements, and you want to add something like this elephant. You can just opt this elephant, okay, and just reduce according to your wish where you want to where you want to replace. So you can add another elements, another design, different elements also. Next come on text. If you want to add something more, then you can click on text. Have different options like add a heading, add a subheading, body. It means add a heading, it means it will looks like the bold, and then subheading it means lightly bold. So you can opt another text from here. Then after brand, then when we will click brand, it means you can see try Canva team, it means you have to purchase pro version. And yes, where I am working, it is uh, free, totally free. And if you want to be add something creative, something new, want to be another different template, you can purchase Canva, and you can get all these things. Now uploads have option of upload. You can add photographs, some, then after draw, it means you can use have any specific pencil, anything, and you can draw accordingly. And then after projects, it means what I have made. You can check here, see here. Then I have apps, one option of apps. It means you can see other things here also have different other things. So this is all about basic of Canva designing. Basic of if you want to be design a basic template, you can just go and after making all the things, all the design, just click on the right hand corner and click on the download. Here you can see have different file type, different format, like PNG. Just click on this arrow. You can also download in JPG, JPG, PDF, and zip file. Have another options you can, and then have also another option limit file size, compress file, transparent background, and you can see a small crown here. It means you have to be purchased uh, pro version. That's why you can have you can see here crown. It means you have to be purchased a pro version. After that you can use all these things. If you want to be save all the pages, then after you can also customize according to your need. I want to only page one, then I will select only page one and just download. Your preparing design is preparing. Okay, and Canva will your design has downloaded, and Canva has also given options of Canva. Then you can also copy and send to the another one, so that if they want, they can also make changes in this.
Dear learner, hope so you have understand the whole topic, and you have any doubt, you can comment here also. Thank you.